Oh, look over there. The birds are very noisy birds there.
What is going on?
I don't know. Oh, hang on. They are
charging at us.
Yeah. Oh,
watch out.
I don't know. They must be nest. Normally, when they're nesting, they are very protective of the young one. So they will gang up together and drive people away, drive us away, or drive other birds away.
It's springtime as well.
Yeah, you look around, any nest around. Oh, here it comes again. Wow.
Oh, be careful.
There, another one. Mama bird and Papa bird. Have a look around there. There must be a nest somewhere.
Yeah. Have a look. Oh, yeah. I saw it. It's right on the right hand side, the first tree on the top.
On top.
Yeah, have a look. Have a zoom in and have a look.
Yeah. I see it now. Hang on, let me point the camera over there.
Yep.
Ooh.
Be careful.
Okay. Oh yeah. I see it now. I see it now.
Yep.
That one. It's quite a big nest.
That's why.
What?
Oh.
Come on. Oh, here they come again.
Be careful, it's charging at us.
Whoa.
Oh, be careful.
Did it get you?
No.
No. Okay. Oh, wow. Hey, I think we better get out of here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Leave them alone in peace.
Hang on. Let me see. They're coming again. Last shot. How brave they are. Very daring. Here they come.
Oh.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Yep. I agree.